Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you a new website which was launched just today. Okay, so it's an investment site. Okay, so let me show you how it is. The name of the site is Clone-Spec. Okay, so I'll leave the link in my description in case you want to create an account. Just go ahead and create an account. Okay, so when you create an account and you log in, this is how you see the interface. So as you can see, I've gained 5 cedis reward for just creating an account. As simple as that. Okay, so we have some products, or let me say subscriptions. So with this one, you are going to buy the subscription for 100 cedis. Okay, so you are going to get 10 cedis daily for 180 days. So the total income will be 1,800 cedis. Okay, the same applies to this one. This one is 200. You get 20 cedis every day, and in total you are going to get 3,600 Ghana cedis. Okay, so this is how you deposit. You tap on this button which says deposit. Okay, then you select the payment method, which is mobile money. Okay, then you enter the amount. Since I already have 5 cedis, I'll just add up 95 cedis. Okay, now tap on deposit. Okay, so we are going to send an amount of 95 Ghana cedis to this particular number. After that, we will just screenshot the payment, the proof of payment. That's the same as a screenshot, and also the transaction ID. Okay, so let's just go ahead. I've copied the number, so let's go ahead. So let me confirm the number. It's a telecell number. Okay, so transfer money. Since I'm using MTN, I'll go in for other networks. Okay, now I'll select telecell. After that, I'll just paste the number I just copied. Okay, now I'll confirm the number. So then my the amount, that's 95 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the reference, I can just enter any random number. So yeah, this the name I'm expecting. Okay, so I'll just type in my Momo pin, and that's all. I'll go to the messages. Okay, the messages in, so I'll copy the transaction ID, copy, then I'll screenshot the message as well. Okay, now I'll save it. After that, I'll just go back to the site. I'll upload the screenshot I just took. Okay, then I'll just paste the transaction ID as well. Then I'll tap on deposit. Okay, so as you can see, my deposit is pending, so they will verify it and then deposit it into my account. Okay, so let's wait for the deposit to be added successfully. Okay, so as you can see, my 95 cedis is in. It has been added to the 95 cedis. Sorry, the 5 cedis, making 100 cedis. So I'll go ahead and tap on the buy. Okay, so it says invested to plan successfully. Okay, so this means every day I'm going to get 10 cedis for 180 days. So in total I'm going to get 1,800. But if you think you can take the risk, you can go ahead and purchase higher ones like this one, and more. Okay, when you want to refer, just tap on team, then you tap on mine. Okay, then you tap on invite friends, then just copy your referral link. Okay, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more updates on how to make money online. But before then, let me show you this one. With a daily check-in, when you tap on it, you are going to get 1 cedi daily. So as you can see, I've gotten 1 cedi. Okay, it will be added to my balance. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next